You are designing a pendulum clock to have a period of one second. So the period of oscillation t equals 1 second. How long should the pendulum be? We have to find the length. Since it's a pendulum, then we will use t equals 2 pi square root of L over G. We know that G is equal to 9.8 meters per second squared. We replace in the formula 1 equals 2 pi square root of L, which is the unknown, over 9.8. Square both sides to get rid of the square root. It will be 1 squared equals 2 pi squared square root of L over 9.8 squared. 1 is equal to 4 pi squared L over 9.8. Then L is equal to 9.8 over 4 pi squared, and the answer will be